The first ACJ 220 arrives at Comlux, and we preview luxury interior design options. Hello, and welcome back to the Luxury Kingdom. Before we start, hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. The first Airbus corporate jet's ACJ 220 executive variant of the Airbus A220 single-aisle airliner arrived in January at Comlux completion in Indianapolis, Indiana, direct from the A220 final assembly line in Mirabel, Canada. ACJ has partnered with Comlux, the Swiss VIP specialist and operator, and its US-based completion facility to produce and install configurable VIP interiors for the first 15 green 220 jets. Comlux completion engineers and designers have been working with their Airbus counterparts for 2 years to prepare for its arrival. They said they've never had the opportunity to spend this much advanced time before preparing for a project such as we have now, and in working with Airbus, we're 100% ready to receive this aircraft and get straight to work and deliver a quality, luxurious product to our client base. The 220, according to ACJ, represents, quote, a new and unique value proposition to business aviation buyers, unquote, that combines intercontinental range and expansive personal space in a relatively low-cost VIP package. The partners say that giving customers a choice of pre-configured interior designs will speed completion time and reduce costs. They said they have been pre-engineering all the interior, not just the first aircraft, but every module, every option in advance, so that we make sure it's truly optimized to bring the minimum downtime as we go into an industrialized but unique program at every aircraft point. The cabin is 50% longer and offers twice the floor space of an ultra-long-range business jet. Whereas a typical business jet might have 2 to 3 living areas, we offer 6 living areas that are on average twice as large as the basic living areas for a basic business jet. The cabins will be offered in 3 style motifs, a traditional style called Timeless, a classic look Quintessence, and a modern motif Avant-Garde. ACJ and Comlux anticipate the new jet will be the first corporate airliner, and in some cases the first aircraft, for a relatively high percentage of buyers. In the Completion Center's design showroom, customers can select their preferred design, motif configurations of the individual rooms, the color palette, and see and feel the fabrics and other materials for seating, flooring, countertops, veneers, and other outfitting selections. Materials from sustainable sources are among the choices. The designers aim to keep the process as simple as possible for customers by offering a starting point that they can modify instead of building up from a blank slate. Each customer receives a valley, like a sample case containing samples of all the selected materials, so they can make sure they're happy with their choices and ensure the colors and materials meet their approval when ready for installation. Living area configuration options include a cinema room with a super light 55-inch OLED screen, a double bed, full shower, and dual galleys. One for meal preparation and cleanup, the other for presentation and serving, known for its technically sophisticated luxury interiors. Comlux Completion is introducing several innovations to the 220, including variable light transmission windows. VLT technology will allow you to adjust the ambient light that comes into the cabin during operation. Will also offer inductive charging throughout the cabin. There's also a new double pocket door design that gives you a very wide open cabin feel and a large passage when they're in the open position. Ionization air filtration systems and full color spectrum LED cabin lighting are also available. To help make their selections, customers can walk through the cabin by donning a virtual reality headset. They can then view the virtual cabin outfitted with any or all different styles, colors, configuration choices, and other options they want to see and compare the combinations. The VR tool also serves as a training device for mechanics and maintainers. You can also render structural views of the green interior so technicians can move about the interior and see all the access points for aircraft systems and how they're accessed and secured in virtual reality before they've seen the aeroplane or a physical mock-up. Comlux, already the world's largest buyer of ACJs with more than 20 purchases, bought the first 3 220s and has resold the first to Dubai-based luxury hospitality and investment company 5. Comlux is in discussions with several other potential buyers for the jets to follow. Redelivery of the first 220 is scheduled for December 2022. By then, Comlux will have received the second 220 scheduled for completion in the 4th quarter of next year. Thereafter completed, 220s are expected to roll out of the complex facility every 6 to 8 months. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.